we shall learn place prepositions. Come with me. Come with me! Now I am in the box. Now I am on the box. Now I am under the box. In, on, and under.
Hi, friends! Let's learn about above and below. See that the clock is above the window level. Now look down. The shoe rack is below the mirror. Great job! The monkey is jumping into the bus. Now it jumped onto the bus top.
Now I am between the cushions. Now I am among the balls. Between and among. She is in the classroom. The book is on the desk. She is at the bus stop. The cow is inside the shed. The cow is outside the shed. Inside and outside. I'm in front of the tree. Now I am behind it.
In means inside something. On means on top of a surface. At means denotes a specific location.